quarter. This moon is called waxing crescent. This moon is called full moon. This moon is called new moon. This moon is called waning gibbous. This moon is called last quarter. This moon is called waning crescent. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Manal from grade 4 Blue. Today my presentation topic is eclipses. There are two types of eclipses. First one is lunar eclipse, second one is solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, when the moon completely covered by the shadow of the earth, there is a lunar eclipse. This is a lunar eclipse.